Hi, I'm Andrea Smith.
And I'm Suzanne Cantra. Today we're talking about a product category that people don't usually think about. We're talking about portable backup drives. You're going to want one of these probably for your kid going to college or maybe somebody who's traveling, but let's
check it out. I'm really excited about this. This is the ArmorATD portable hard drive from Western Digital's G Technology brand. Really excited to unbox this because I've heard wonderful things about it.
Okay.
This is the 4 terabyte version. Comes in lesser, 2 terabytes and 1 terabyte, but I've got the big guy, so let's check it out.
Awesome. So inside, it looks like the packaging is nice.
It's nice. Not too much waste.
Nope.
Nicely, just a little bit of plastic here. And then the drive itself right here. Look, wow, look at that.
Look at that shiny blue. That is beautiful.
That's nice. And feel how soft and strong this is. It's like surrounded by rubber.
This is definitely going to be rugged. You can tell just by looking at it. And from the design, there's not a lot of branding on it. It just has a little simple G.
And it's not that heavy. I mean, I could see throwing this in a gear bag, in a photo bag, or in your backpack at school and taking it with you. So, if you're even, needing to share files with someone and working on something together, collaborating, just throw it in your bag.
And we were talking about how grippy it is on the sides. You can see that there's these lines here.
Yeah, and so I love it so that when you hold it, right, sometimes when my hands are cold or wet and I'm holding a phone, it's actually kind of slippery. But this is that grippy technology, so you're not going to drop it. But if you do drop it, you're in luck. You can drop this up to 1 meter. It is really rugged. It has triple shock protection is what they call it. So basically, it can withstand a lot of pressure.
1,000 pounds. And you're looking at the top there. It looks like that's where the ports are.
Absolutely. So what's cool about this is it's very sealed tight. I've just pulled it off here, but it's sealed tight. It can withstand rain. It's not waterproof, but it can withstand a little bit of rain.
So the packaging was saying that it's IP54. So, you're not going to want to jump this into the swimming pool, but, if it gets wet in the bottom of a bag, no big deal.
All right.
So what else do we have?
The cool thing about this, it comes with a cable, and I'm always like, why does it come with a cable? How many cables do we need? But this is a USB-C cable. So a lot of people who maybe they don't have a USB-C type phone yet, this is the cable, and very nicely it comes with, I believe, an adapter here.
Let's check that out. So you can put this piece on to be able to convert it if your laptop doesn't have a USB-C connector. So, and the reason why you would want a USB-C connector is because it is much faster, especially for a portable drive. And then, being able to back up fairly quickly, especially if you're on the road, is going to be important. And then while it's not in the box, it is compatible with Thunderbolt. So if you're a Mac user, it comes out of the box, being able to be used with either a Mac or a PC, so you don't have to get a specialized version for your computer. So this comes in different sizes, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and 4 terabytes.
Starting at $89.95.
Yep. So an essential back-to-school tech item or something for that intrepid traveler.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for joining us.